Hello dear traders, welcome back to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching economic news with me, Tahmina Salomova. Market expectations have come true. The Federal Reserve softened its rhetoric on monetary policy, saying that it will be patient before making any further rate hike. The US Central Bank kept the official funds rate steady at 2.50% and sent the clear signal that the cycle of monetary tightening is close to an end. The US economy is on a sound footing, though facing some headwinds. At the press conference, Jerome Powell explained that a slowdown in the global economic growth and a federal government shutdown are the main reasons behind such policy guidance. As a result, the US dollar index tumbled by 80 pips. The index rebounded from 95.20 in the late Wall Street trade, but it could not develop a rally. Today, major currencies are taking advantage of the broad-based weakness of the US dollar. In the Asian trade, the US dollar dropped almost 1% against the yen. The dollar-yen pair is drifting lower towards 108.70. Preliminary data on Japan's industrial production for December came in better than expected, but investors are not pleased about it. Yesterday, the US and China began two-day high-level trade talks in Washington. Even a new round of the trade discussions is a success and the two parties come to a common denominator. The US and China will enter a path to a mutually beneficial trade deal to be settled by March 1st. Nevertheless, there is an obstacle which keeps market participants in suspense. The US charge against Huawei's CEO pose a threat to progress in the trade talks. Both parties defend their interests. Today, traders cheer manufacturing PMI from China. The official indicator of business activity of the factory sector rose a tick to 49.5 from 49.4 in December, beating economists' expectations. Besides, non-manufacturing PMI showed a big gain. The welcome news from China provided the Australian dollar with support. The Australian versus American dollar pair jumped 80 pips after a policy statement of the Federal Reserve and carried on its advance following China's PMIs. The pair rebounded from 0.7260. Today, experts do not foresee crucial changes in the US dollar's dynamic versus its major rivals. Traders are discouraged by Fed's dovish policy guidance. Meanwhile, traders are anticipating outcome of the trade talks between the US and China. Analysts advise traders to be patient. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with InstaForex TV channel.